But the question says that Mark is going to cycle from town X to town Y. If he cycles at an average speed of 20 km per hour, he will reach town Y at 12 p.m. Alright? If he cycles at an average speed of 30 km per hour, he will reach town Y at 10 a.m. Okay, what has to be his average speed if he wants to reach town Y at 11 a.m.? Alright? Of course, the speed will be in between 20 km to 30 km. Right? Now, let's check it out. Town X, town Y, Mike is traveling from town X to town Y. If he were to travel at the speed of 20 km per hour, he will reach at 12 p.m. And if he were to travel at the speed of 30 km per hour, he will reach at 10 a.m. Okay? Now, what is the distance traveled? Distance traveled is equal to speed times time. So, we take 20 km per hour times time. Alright? Taken. But if let's say you were to travel at 30 km per hour, then it is 2 hours less. So it's t minus 2. Alright? But the distance is the same. Therefore, 30 km times t minus 2 is equal to 20 km times t. Alright? And therefore, 30t minus 60 is equal to 20t. Alright? Therefore, 30t minus 20 is equal to 60. And 10t will be 60. Therefore, t is 60 divided by 10, which is 6 hours. Alright? T is 6 hours. What is t? T is the time taken. Alright? Time taken if you were to travel at a speed of 20 km per hour. Alright? Then, if you were to travel at 30 km per hour, is 2 hours less. So t is equal to 4 hours. 4 hours. Okay. Now we want it at 11 a.m. That means 5 hours. Okay, 5 hours. So we have distance is equal to 20 times 6, which is 120 km. Alright. Why? You can actually take 20 times 6 from where? Alright, from here. Alright, 20 times time t6. So that gives 120 km per hour. 120 km. 120 km is fixed, alright, because it's the distance between town X and town Y. So if let's say we want him to reach at 11 a.m., that means to say time taken must be 5 hours. Alright, so the speed will be distance divided by time, which 120 divided by 5 hours. That gives us 24 km per hour. So he needs to ride at 24 km per hour in order to reach there at 11 a.m. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.